Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the must-have accessory for your air fryer, the 7-inch/8-inch air fryer accessories set. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you never miss out on our amazing product reviews and recommendations. Now, let's get into why you absolutely need this set of air fryer accessories in your kitchen. First of all, this set of 8 PCS is compatible with most air fryer models, including GoWise, Philips, Cozina, and Skewer. This means that no matter what air fryer you have, this set will work for you. But let's talk about what really sets this accessory set apart: the variety of cooking options it provides. With a cake barrel, pizza pan, metal holder, skewer rack, and more, you can truly expand your cooking capabilities with your air fryer. From baking cakes and pizzas to making pancakes, eggs, and potatoes, the possibilities are truly endless. Not only that, but the materials used are top-notch. The Teflon non-stick coating makes for easy cleaning and durability, and the silicone and stainless steel construction ensures that these accessories will stand the test of time. And the best part? It's all incredibly easy to use. With features like a handle for easy lifting and a silicone mat for heat resistance, using these accessories is a breeze. So, if you want to take your air frying game to the next level, this set is an absolute must-have. And the best part is that it's available for purchase right now. Check the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing 7-inch/8-inch air fryer accessories set today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.